Halo teman-teman, di sini Denny. Apa kabar kalian semua ya? Seperti biasa, saya akan mereview barang dan di sini ada Paddock stand dan merupakan standar opsional yang menopang motor agar tidak miring untuk motor yang memiliki standar samping ya teman-teman. Motor yang sering terparkir miring karena hanya memiliki standar samping dapat membuat ban berubah bentuk dan mengganggu performa berkendara teman-teman. Kalian harus mengetahui fungsi pentingnya Paddock stand untuk motor kalian ya teman-teman. Jadi yang pertama itu menjaga kondisi ban tetap awet pastinya ya. Yang kedua menjaga posisi motor tetap tegap. Ketiga memudahkan ketika melakukan servis ringan ya. Dan untuk Paddock stand itu modelnya juga banyak banget ya teman-teman. Jadi teman-teman bisa pilih aja langsung ke toko-toko online atau offline terdekat di lokasi teman-teman ya. Oke, kita langsung aja ke video ilustrasi pemasangan Paddock.
Hey, what's up? It's Doodle. So not too long ago, I showed a video where I load my Triumph Street RRR onto my Pitbull rear stand, and someone mentioned that I didn't show how I unload it. So today I'm going to show how I both load and unload my bike from the rear stand, and if I can do it, you definitely can do it. Make sure you get the right rear stand. It'll be very annoying if you don't. Don't ask me how I know that. I have the spooled rear stand. My Triumph Street RRR wasn't compatible to have the rear stand where it goes directly on your swing arm, so I had to buy 8mm spools, attach them to my bike, and now the spooled rear stand hooks onto those spools. Now I'll show you how I do it. And then you're gonna adjust this hook and put it directly under the spool on both sides. So I've got it on this side. Now, some people can do this one-handed. I've got to use my whole body weight. So I'm gonna use my hip to move the bike upright onto both spools on both sides. This is always a little scary, but I have done this so many times with a spotter that now I'm pretty confident I can do it on my own without dropping my bike. Ta-da! Okay, now I'll show you how I take it off the rear stand. Make sure your kickstand is down. I'm gonna have one hand on my bike and one hand on the handle of the rear stand. Bring it up slowly. Once the tire is down, I'm gonna use my body weight just in case the kickstand fails. Let's bring the bike back down. Done! Loading and unloading without dropping your bike. Thanks for watching. Bye.